I bought and set up Nex Playground to see whether it's novel or not. And here's what I found, and here's my opinion about it. So, Next Playground is a motion tracking active play system that turns your living room into a game zone. It's backed by recognizable investors and it has a clear parenting positioning. Less screen time, active play, and curated kids safe games. Official reviews and many parents praise its ability to get kids moving and engaged. So, the hands on coverage from reviewers found it delightful for short, active sessions and family game nights. Motion tracking is intuitive, the setup is straightforward, and the kids responds very well to it. But the weakness is the content depth. Many outlets note that the game library is limited unless you are subscribed and you have a long-term replayability depends heavily on fresh updates from the company itself. Wired and other critics highlights that novelty can wear off and subscription costs add to the long-term price. As to the parents' review, they are mostly positive for younger kids and family sessions. If you want a screen time alternative that encourages movement and cooperative play, it's a good pick. If you want a multi-purpose console or a sustained, varied gaming like a Switch, Next is more of a complementary toy. So you can consider the subscription model when calculating for its value. Now let's go to the pros. It is fun and you can have active play about it. And it's easy to set up. It's family friendly and kids safe design. The cons is that there are limited game library without subscription and it has potential short-lived novelty and narrower long-term entertainment value than full gaming systems. So, for final verdict, Next Playground is a strong option for families that wants short, active, kid-safe play sessions and a screen time alternative. It is not a full console replacement, and the value depends on whether you will see it often or use it often, or you can just keep up with the subscription content. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.